Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I would like to clean the house, semi-deep clean the house and disinfect the toilets, clean the floors and everything. Then I take shower, I get ready and that's it. Next to my bed there is this lamp. So basically when you put it on and you set for 30 minutes, it has different settings or different lights. Green, blue, yellow, orange. Well, I don't even know all of them. I used the green one. Why? Because it brightens up the skin, makes it more youthful, and it looks more glowing and lifted also. I absolutely love this machine. I bought it on AliExpress or Alibaba when we still lived in Hong Kong, but you can find it in Amazon. I put the link below. You can find it in Lazada if you live in Thailand. Also on Lazada we got the Hoover or vacuum cleaner and cost about 4,200 Thai baht. And I would say this is a lot better vacuum cleaner than the previous which one we had. This one is very light, has lots of attachments.
Hold up just a minute, been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah, been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore, 'cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting.
I don't know if you can see or not, but I am drooling sweat. It's very hot, so there is no AC here, and outside is, I think, is 32 maybe. Feels a lot hotter, and you know, I just got used to it.
Hold up just a minute, been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah, been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore, 'cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long, yeah, waiting just for somebody.
So this is storage slash like a laundry room. Washing machine is outside, but we have lots of clothes here, dirty, clean, and mostly Ryan's all hung up. I just arrange and reorganize the space each and every time just to make sure that everything is tidy. I got the stand, and then I also got some boxes, and everything is stored here. So this is like a main bathroom because it's downstairs and it's convenient. When Ryan is getting ready or I'm getting him ready, usually I take shower here in the morning, in the evening also, Ryan also. So I took everything out of the washing basket, rearrange few things in this stand. And when it comes to this bathroom, it's used the most. I am going to take one of these baskets and put lots of my skincare and body care inside.
Run, baby, run, it's all it's here.